One day, there was a cap seller. He had many colorful caps to sell. He walked from village to village, calling out, "Caps! Caps! Buy my caps!" The day was very hot. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. The cap seller felt tired. He looked around and saw a big tree. "This is a good place to rest," he said. He sat under the tree, put his bag of caps beside him, and soon fell asleep. After some time, a group of monkeys came down from the tree. They were playful and curious. They opened the cap seller's bag and took all the caps. Each monkey wore a cap on its head. They climbed back up the tree and started jumping and playing. After a while, the cap seller woke up. He looked at his bag and was shocked. "My caps! Where are my caps?" He looked around and then looked up. There he saw the monkeys, each wearing one of his caps. The cap seller became worried. He shouted, "Hey, give my caps back!" But the monkeys only laughed and made funny faces. Then the cap seller thought for a moment. He remembered something important. Monkeys like to copy what people do. So he took off his own cap and threw it on the ground. The monkeys watched him carefully. Then, one by one, they did the same thing. They took off their caps and threw them down to the ground. The cap seller quickly picked up all the caps. He put them back into his bag and smiled happily. "Thank you, monkeys," he said. Then he continued his journey, selling his caps from village to village. And the lesson is, always use your mind to solve problems.